What you see here is a Hunter Coastal Breeze, the 44-inch Hunter Coastal Breeze spinning on low speed, and I'm gonna start running on medium. And this is actually the ceiling fan at my godmother's house, and it's used to save electricity. So this is the best ceiling fan used to save electricity. So I'm gonna start on medium speed. Hold on. Oh, sorry. I don't want to mess with that. Well, it does bring good amount of air. But these are the great fans to have, but you should never give up on that because it might be good to save electricity. So let's see, we might have to turn on high speed. Well, it does have 3 speeds. Let's show you how it works. Yeah, it does have a wobble to it. This is a very wobbly fan on high speed, but you can have it on high speed just to save electricity so you can bring more air. But you can also put it on the reverse during the winter time so it can bring down the heat. So I'm going to put it on back on low. Okay, ceiling fanners. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, ceiling fan collectors. Bye-bye.